Hey again, let's get started by design our database schema. So whenever you want to build any application, you need to design the database. Then you will design your web service, then you build your app. So first of all, you have to have a schema. I'm using just a website named LucyChart to design my schema. Just show you the like big picture for the system. So to do a chat app, what we need to have? We need to have some table. So one of the tables that we need should be the login. That means the user. So I will name this table login. What do you think the field that I have to have it for the user? I need to have user ID. It's normal. I need also to have the first name for the user. First name. Also, I may need the email of the user. I have to need a user email. And what more? Let me just add more field for this one. Have a 3. So let me change the number of field to 5. So that means I need to have 5 field. So I also need the password. Okay. And also I need some information like picture path. Okay. Picture path. This is the information that I needed for the user. So whenever any user, a new user will be registered, I will save his name, his email, his login password, and the picture path for that user. So I would use it to show the picture for the user. And user ID, this is something identical for every user. Should be the an increment, like auto increment. So what the second table? For sure, you know, I may have second table. I would suppose the second table will have like 5 field for now. So what do you think this table should be? This table should be the tweets. Like every user have number of tweets. So that so the relation between this table and this table is 1 to many. Like every user could have many tweets. So first of all, I need to have here something about user ID, because this user have to have tweet. So the user ID here is the primary key, should be here as a foreign key. So the second one, I would say the tweet ID, because may help me to edit my tweet or delete my tweet. So tweet ID should be auto increment something number, and also a tweet text. So what the text of that tweet the user that added. Also I would save the tweet picture. Okay. And I would save tweet date, like when he did this tweet. Okay. This is 5 information about the tweet. So whenever any person want to post a new tweet, I need to have what the text he want to post it. Maybe he will add image or not, or the data I will create it automatically from the device. So this is the information. So now any user could log in, any user could have a number of tweets. Also I need the following, like user follow other user. So here I add a new table. I will name it following. Okay. This following should have a user ID. It will follow another user ID. So name it following user ID. Okay, and that's all what I need. Only 2 fields. The relation will be this user could follow many other users. So I mean every user here could follow many other users in the database. So many to many. And this is what we do. Because I mean, hey, I'm as a Hussein, I could follow 10 people like Alex, Jenna, Alaya, or whatever. So this is my design schema for the database.